Welcome back to the latest episode of Totally Totaled, where we look at crashed vehicles and discuss if it can be repaired or if it is indeed a total loss. Today we are looking at an Alpine White 2019 BMW X5, which in the US had an MSRP of $60,700.
A few moments later.
As you can see, this vehicle was involved in an accident with severe damage to the right front passenger side. Just from approaching the car, I can see the front bumper, grille, right headlamp, fender, and passenger front door will undoubtedly need replacement. These are adaptive BMW exclusive LED headlamps that cost about $3,500 a piece. The 20-inch aluminum 10-spoke wheels will need to be replaced too after sustaining damage from the impact. There is major suspension damage evident by the fact that the tire is touching the fender well. As we look to the interior, we see not one, not two, but 3 airbags deployed. Both head airbags and the rear passenger airbag deployed, which will require the replacement of the entire rear seat and headliner, which is ripped from the moment airbags deployed. Not only will the airbags have to be replaced. Due to safety guidelines, all the corresponding airbag components plus the seat belts will need to be replaced to ensure proper deployment in the event of another collision. Because of this and the heavy damage to the vehicle by insurance standards, this vehicle would be totally totaled. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, I'm sure you're probably wondering, so what happened, right? Imagine sitting at an intersection and cars are flying past you and it's just not safe to pull out. All of a sudden you look in your rearview mirror and see a line of cars behind you growing impatient. Next thing you know, they start getting angry and honking. What do you do? Well, unfortunately in this case the driver couldn't wait and let the pressure get to him.